Hi guys, welcome to another day of peeks for our November box of the month. Release day will be November 1st at 9 a.m. Central Time. So on day one, we created this card here. Now you can go back and watch all the videos for the projects that we created. So we'll have 5 days of projects. Day two, we created these treat pouches with the paper pad and coordinating ephemera. Day three, we created these two treat bags and this little treat candy box using the other collection. And today we are going to reveal our second stamp set. Our second stamp set is called New Year, and it is perfect for scrapbooking and card making. It's got a lot of great sentiments in here. We're going to make a quick card using one of the sentiments today. So I'll read them off for you. We have same me, bigger goals. Let's celebrate. 12 chapters, 365 new chances. Cheers, y'all. New Year cutie. The best is yet to come. New Year, same hot mess. Happy New Year 2023. New Year wishes. But first, champagne, and have a sparkling new year. So I thought we'd make a card. I've cut out all my panels that I'm going to need. We are using the paper pad Sparkling Wishes that I shared yesterday. And we'll probably bring in some of the coordinating ephemera as well. So I've cut down all my panels. So we'll just put these together here. I grabbed some prints from the paper pad. This one is one of my favorites from the paper pad. I love it because you could use it this way as a little border like we're going to do today, like that. Or it's really fun up and down as well. So I'm using the Barely Art Precision Craft Glue that's now available in the shop. It's one of my favorite glues. So when you sign up for the box of the month, you get an additional 5% off your box. And then you reserve your box every month. It'll be shipped to you every 30 days. And also when you're a club member, I send you a special coupon just for club members that you can use for shopping in the store. So that is really fun. So if you are a Not Too Shabby supporter and you are shopping frequently, if you join the box of the month, you'll get a monthly coupon. Sometimes I do send out coupons with the paper pad club of the month and the stamp and die of the month, but not every month. It's not part of it. It's just for the box of the month, but I will occasionally send out a coupon with the other clubs. So this one's going to go right here, and this is going to be peeking out. With the clubs, we provide so much inspiration for you on our YouTube channel, plus our design team members' channels. They are providing inspiration as well, so make sure you're subscribed to their channel. Not everything that they create is on the Not Too Shabby channel, so you're going to want to subscribe to their channels as well. I do have a blog post that lists all their channels if you wanted to check that out. Okay, so now I'm going to add this one to the end, and then I cut a piece of black so it's like a little separation piece. And this is just going to butt right up there. Okay, so there's the front of the card, and now we're going to add our sentiment. I am going to stamp it out with the VersaFine Clear in the Nocturne color, which is a nice dark black color. I'm going to use The Best Is Yet to Come I really want to pick up some gold embossing powder. I think these sentiments would look gorgeous in gold. I'm going to be cutting it out with this oval. So I just want to make sure I have enough of the white. Okay, so I'm grabbed some images. I'm gonna put the clock on there. I think it goes really good with the sentiment. The best is yet to come because it's almost midnight. And I'm gonna position that right in the center of the black line. And then this floral, I thought it was really pretty that we can use to kind of put behind our sentiment. And then this little leaf here to balance it out on the other side. Okay, so now I have foam on the back of the sentiment. And then make sure that I have the sentiment straight. Very, very pretty. So now I want to just embellish it a little bit. So our snow bloom confetti from This Calls for Confetti matches pretty well with this collection. So if you had the box from last month, this would be beautiful for a shaker card with this collection as well. I have these little bubbles. I think I'm going to put these on there. So I'm going to put 3 of those, and then I'm going to put some of these mirrored pieces on there for a little shine. Okay, I think that's good. So it gives it just a little bit of shine. So I think it turned out really, really pretty. So I can decorate the inside with my leftover pieces. I'm learning to do that. So I've got scraps, why not use them, right? So I can just put a little strip on the inside there. And then this one I can cut down. So the recipient has something pretty to look at when they open it. So there is the card. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget to come back tomorrow for our last day of peaks, 1 p.m. Central Time. I will have the last reveal, and then it is release day. So thank you so much. I hope you guys are excited, and I can't wait to see what you guys create with the new box. Take care, guys. Bye.